Hey everybody, do you hate when your Funai VCR does this? Well, don't worry, there's a solution to it. First, take the chassis out on the VCR. You have to pull the faceplate off in order for you to do that. I mean first. So, second, remove the chassis from the VCR, which is held in by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. And when you take the chassis out, carefully, well, after you unscrew it, carefully pull it out, because there are very delicate ribbon cables that could break on these. Just pull it up real slow, make sure the power is disconnected, and hold the, while you're trying to take it out, hold the deck down, circuit board, and gently pull this out. Then you have access to the bottom side, and right here is the culprit. So, this is what you need to do. Depending on the model, some of these will actually have a plastic piece that holds it in, and some of these will actually have a screw. But on this one has a screw. So, what we do is, you would have to unscrew this, like so. I only have one hand for for my phone. So it's going to be a little bit. You unscrew that. Sorry, not in the right frame. Okay, that comes out. And then this should lift up like so. There we go. And this is called a mode switch. It is used for the VCR to switch to functions from feature to feature, function to function. You know what I mean? Say if it goes from play to fast forward, you know what I mean? These actually can get very dirty, and they could make the VCR do strange things. So, let me show you what you need to do here. I don't know if it's gonna be, I don't think it's gonna be easy for me to, show it to you on camera, but I'm gonna try. Right here, you have to squeeze these. It's a little gonna be hard to do. You squeeze these little plastic things, and then the switch should, like this, like the switch should come out, like the switch should come out once you squeeze these pieces. Okay, I can't really do this on camera, so I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I was able to squeeze them out. Now, when you squeeze them, it should pop off like so. Like that. Okay, and here are the contacts, and look at this. That looks ugly. So, I'll show you what to do. You're gonna have to clean these with electrical contact cleaner. Hold on, let me go get my spray. Okay, what I use is, CRC QD electronic cleaner. This is very good for cleaning mode switches and other electrical contacts. What I do first is you get a Q-tip. Hold on, let me get a good one. You get a Q-tip right here, and you scrub this corrosion off first. Like this. Okay, as you can see, I cleaned it off with a dry Q-tip. Now what I do is spray the contact cleaner. Sorry guys. Okay, this should be good. Stay put. Alright, what I do is spray this. Here's the contact cleaning spray. So if it gets on the belt, I'm not planning on keeping this one. Well, not keeping. Well, I'm not planning on keeping this VCR anyway. I'm trying to make some money off it by selling it. And then you do the same thing like you did before with the dry Q-tip. All right, as you can see, it's nice and sparkly clean. But there's one more thing to do. We'll have to clean the contacts here too. Stupid camera, hold on. Yeah, we will have to clean the contacts here too, because they're corroded. So, what we do is, see if I can, I think I might be able to, my phone down and show you what to do. Oh, shit, there that goes. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. You spray some contact cleaner on the Q-tip, and I'll show you what you have to do. You clean them like this, only in one direction. Do not only clean them like very gently. You gotta be real easy, because you can bend these contacts and the VCR will not work right again if you do that. You clean them like this, one direction. You can only do this in one direction. And on the other side of the Q-tip, I suggest you pry these up just gently, just a little bit, so it can have more tension to the switch. See a little bit more corrosion on there. Let me get the rest of it off, but you know what I mean. Okay, what else I do with most switches is that let's see if I can get in camera view. Okay, that's all I can do. Alright, so I spray the contact cleaner on the mode switch. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, now we put the mode switch back on, like this. Snaps back in like so. Then, you get the little screwdriver, you spin it to polish up the contacts. Shout out to 12V Viz for teaching me this trick, if he sees this video, which I highly doubt he will. You rotate it like a few times. And this mode switch is keyed. Some mode switches on VCRs are not keyed, so you might, depending on what VCR you have, you could misalign the mode switch, causing the VCR to do funny things. So, this one is keyed. So, here's a half circle. Let's look at the cam gear. Half circle. So what we do, it should just, oh, sorry about that. What we do is put this on like so. I'm such a idiot. It's supposed to go in like this. There we go. Okay. We put the wire back there, and then you get the screw and screw it back on. Sorry about my messy floor. I live in an apartment, so I can't really work anywhere else besides my bedroom. Man, I wish I had a house. Alright, now the mode switch is cleaned. Now the VCR should be back up and running. What you do now is put the chassis back into the VCR, and then put all the 5 screws back in. I'm not gonna re-screw them back in, cause I want to do some more work on this. I want to do some lubrication as well. Alright, let's try this again and see if it actually fixes the problem. Oh no. Oh, the tape didn't go in all the way. Rewind and fast forward seem to be working. I'm gonna eject this tape so I can show you the functions with fast forward and rewind. Alright. Testing a jig. Let's play. Fast forward. See, it didn't do that before. Doing a very good job fast forwarding. Same with rewind. Oh, I accidentally pressed play. So yeah, it's all working again. Eject. So I hope this video helped you with your VCR issue, if you had a VCR like this, with this mechanism. So thank you guys for watching, and be kind, rewind.